Hey everybody, it's Jared here at Big Pine Sports with that launch of the Outlander. We've got a lot of cool new accessories, and one of them is this chainsaw holder. How awesome is that? All you need to do to release it is take this lever, move it over, boom, you're done. For you guys out doing some farm work, up clearing trailhead, this is the way to do it. Keeps everything out of the way, keeps everything nice and secure. It's not going to come out. Utilizing that Linq system. What do you think? I love the innovation at this show with the Outlander product lineup. Part number 715-004-975. This will accommodate a blade up to 18 inch. What do you think? Great job, Can-Am.